Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error van 1067. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go on search and write down services. Open it up. Now this will pop up. You want to click anywhere and click V on your keyboard. And you want to find the VGC file. On VGC file, you want to go ahead to properties. And on properties, you want to go ahead and make sure that startup type is automatic and the service status is basically running. If not, just click start, just like I did. Now you want to go to Task Manager, and on Task Manager, you want to go ahead on the startup apps. And on startup apps, you want to go ahead and find Vanguard. So that would be VG tray. And you want to go ahead and enable it. So if it's not enabled, then you're going to do that. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC. And that should fix your problem. Go ahead and restart. Now, if the problem still persists, you want to go on Run option right there. Write down percentage local app data percentage, click OK. And then you want to locate Riot Games folder. Here it is. And what you want to do is go ahead and delete it, just like so. Now installed apps, you want to go here, installed apps or apps and services. Here you want to find application called Vanguard and you want to uninstall it. After you will open up Riot Client again, it will install automatically. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.